This lecture we will talk about reading and writing Excel data with Pandas. It's not uncommon that data collected in tabular form in an Excel spreadsheet. The Pandas provides two functions to this purpose: to Excel and read Excel function. Just notice that OpenPy Excel package have to be installed. So we can, for example, use conda install OpenPy Excel in Anaconda. The read Excel function can read Excel 2003 and 2007 version. So let us see an Excel file. This is the first sheet with 3 rows, 4 columns. First row, index, first column is the name of the variable. And to read the data contained in the Excel file and convert it to a data frame, you only have to use the read Excel function. So we can write pd.readExcel, this file name, and we have to add index column equals 0. So the first column will be converted into the index of the data frame. So this is the resulting data frame, and the variable, the first row of Excel file will be converted into the column variable in the data frame. As you can see, by default, the returned data frame is composed of the data tabulated in the first spreadsheet. If, however, you need to load the data in the second spreadsheet, you must then specify the name of the sheet or the number of the sheet just as a second argument. So if we want to read the second sheet data, then we have to add sheet 2 here, or we just write 1 here, and the result will be the same. Same form, and the second sheet of Excel file will be read into this data frame. To convert a data frame into a spreadsheet or Excel, you have to write the following. So data frame to Excel, this file. So the data frame will be saved as Excel table in the first sheet of this file. We will show all these statements in Anaconda Spider now. See the file, section 12, reading, writing pandas.py. The link to this file can be found in the description of this video. We move to lecture 4, reading and writing data on Microsoft Excel files with Pandas. First, import library and set the working directory. Then we can read these Excel files, first sheet. So data frame has been converted into a data frame of this first sheet. We can also choose the second sheet to read the second sheet, and the resulting is this data frame. And alternative way, add 1 here for the second sheet. Same data frame, and we will write to Excel file for a data frame. First, create a new data frame. New data frame. Write to this file to see. So this is the correct second data frame.